Assalamualaikum 5 class. This is your lecture number 5, exercise 1b, question number 12. Write the predecessor. Write the predecessor of the following number. We have to write the predecessor for the given numbers. Okay, so what is the predecessor? In the previous classes we also know about what is the predecessor. Predecessor mean previous number. Predecessor mean previous number. When we subtract 1 from the given number. When we subtract 1 from the given number, it become the predecessor of the given number. अगर हमारे पास ये गिवन नंबर है, इसमें से एक को माइनस कर देंगे, 1 को माइनस कर देंगे, तो वो इसका क्या हो जाएगा? प्रेडिसेसर. प्रेडिसेसर मीन प्रीवियस नंबर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 5 का प्रेडिसेसर क्या होगा? 4. 3 का प्रेडिसेसर क्या होगा? 2. ओके. Here the student we have write two parts, part A and part B. So how to find the predecessor? We write first part, okay, and subtract -1. Subtract -1. So let's see. Here student 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 can't possible. So take carry from this 9. Here also 0. Here is also 0. So take carry from this 9. This 9 give carry to this, and this number become 10, and this 10 give carry to next number, and this become 9. Okay, and this number give to the next number. Okay, so this number also become 9. Okay, so 1 minus 1, sorry, 10 minus 1, 9. Here number becomes 9 because this number gives the carry to the next number. Here 9, so 9 as it is. Here also number become 9. Here number become 8 because this 9 give the carry to the other numbers. Okay, so this become 8. So here 8. All the other remaining digits same as it is. Okay, so this is the predecessor. We have just subtract 1 from the given number, so this number become the predecessor. This number become the predecessor. Okay, this number become the predecessor. How to find the predecessor of this number? इधर ही माइनस कर लेते हैं. Subtract -1. So here 1 minus 1, 0. This 0 same as it is. This 0 same as it is also, and all the other numbers write same below. Okay, so this is the predecessor of this number. Predecessor means previous number. When we want to find the predecessor of such number, we have just subtract -1. Okay, we have to just subtract 1 from the given number, so this number become the predecessor of the given number. So easy. Okay. Okay student, next exercise is exercise 1b. First question, fill in the blanks. Okay, first number is give 6,920,000 and 110 is dash more than 6,900,000. Okay, given number है, पूछा गया this number is dash more than. How many this number is more than of this term. Okay, बताना है कि ये नंबर इससे कितना बड़ा है. We have just subtract this number from this number and write the answer here. Okay, so let's see how to write the number. Okay, so see here 6,920,110 is dash more than 6,900,000. Okay, so just write the numbers in column. First number 6,920,110. Then write the second number because this number is dash more than, so write this number at the okay 6,900,000. So just subtract. So see here student, 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 0, 1, 1 minus 0, 1, 0 minus 0, 0, 2 minus 0, 2, 9 minus 9, 0, 6 minus 6, 0. So this is the our answer. So this number is right here 0, 1. This number is 20,110. 20,110 more than 6,900,000. Okay. Our second question is sum of. Sum mean addition. Sum of 4,952,106 and 900,000 is. We have to find the sum of these two numbers. So students, see here, the second question is sum of 4,952,106 and 900,000. Okay. So first of all, write the both numbers in columns. First number and then second number from the right side. You know that always write the numbers in column from the right side mean. Okay. So just add, because we have to find the sum. Sum means summation. Summation means addition. Okay. 6 minus 0, 6 plus 0, 6, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 2 plus 0, 2, 5 plus 0, 5, 9 plus 9, 18. So 8 here and 1 give carry to the next number. Okay, 4 and 5 becomes 5. Okay, 4 and 1 become 5. Okay, so this is our final answer, 5,852,106. Okay, so just write on your books. So third question is, students, third question is C. 5,874,813 is greater than 5,774,813 by how many numbers is greater than? Okay, so just solve as question number A. Okay, so just minus this number from this number. Okay, now part D, 3,429,792, and now next is 421,792 together make mean मिलके कितना बनते हैं. together mean मिलके कितना बनते हैं. मिलके मीन इन दोनों को ऐड करना है. कैसे? एज क्वेश्चन नंबर बी, पार्ट नंबर बी यू हैव डन इन योर नोट्स. ओके, सो जस्ट ऐड दीज टू नंबर्स. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट पार्ट ई, difference of 610,823 and 9,610,072. okay, we have to find the difference means subtraction. difference means फर्क कितना है इन दोनों में, how many difference. okay, फर्क. so just subtract. we have write the two numbers. first number 5, 6, 10, 8, 2, 3. okay, we have to find the difference of these two numbers. so students, we have to find the difference. okay, so write the bigger number on the upper side. write the bigger number. so bigger number is this. write the bigger number is this, 9, 6, 10, 0, 0, 7, 2. then write the smaller number, because 5 million, here the 9 million. so 9 million is a bigger value, so write the big value on upper side. then write the others. now find the subtraction. 2 minus 3 can't possible, so take carry from this 7. this number become 12. 12 minus 3, 12 minus 3, 9. here number become 6. 6 minus 2, 4. 0 minus 8 can't possible, so take carry from this number. this number also 0, so take carry from previous number. this number give carry to this number becomes 10, and this number gives carry to this number. okay, so 10 minus 8, 2. okay, now here the number become 9, because this 10 give the carry to the next number. here number become 9, so 9 minus 0, 9. here number becomes 0, because this number is also give the carry to the next number. here number becomes the 0, so now take carry from this number. okay, so 10 minus 1, 9. this number give carry to the next number, so here the number become 5. here the number become 5, so take carry from the previous number. okay, 15, 5. okay, become 5. 15 minus 6, 9. Here number become 8 because this number also gives the carry to the next number. 8 minus 5 is 3. So this is our final answer, the difference of these two terms. Okay, so students, solve the part C and D in your notes.